chickens. Nice. Major. 3 spins again. Nice. You gotta fill up those cabbages, grapes, and corns.
Major.
Oh, there you go. Oh, let's spin it. Bring it up. Oh, nice.
Nice. 3 remaining.
There you go. Okay.
Nice.
Okay, was that the one?
Instant
Okay, you
win.
got. Okay, cool. Yeah, but it's almost got the minor.
Nice.
Oh wow! Wouldn't it be
Come
so
on,
cool?
give me that. Yeah, wouldn't that be cool?
Sheesh. Let's do it.
Major, come on.
2 spins. Do it. Oh
yes.
wow!
Oh, and if I fill it all
Oh
up, I
my!
get that.
What do we got? We got the. You got the minor.
Oh, I got the minor.
Good,
Really?
Good, good. Now we get to do the major. Let's do it. Okay, this will be amazing.
I still get that. Oh, wow, nice.
You got 3 spins, so you got 3 chain.
Nice.
Let me touch this down here. It's right here. Whoa.
God, 19. What was that for?
I don't know, but we'll take it.
I still have 3
Chicken.
spins left.
Chickity chick. I know. Go ahead and hit it. Need this right here, Mr.
My
Chicken.
gosh.
Mr. Clucker. Won't be a mother clucker. Let's do this. Come on.
Come on, come on.
Oh,
Come
holy
on.
cow. That was close.
I know.
It was a cow. Come on. Do it, do it, do it, do it. Come on, now. Just do it. Come on.
Come on, do it. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Okay. Whoa. Oh, is that a drum roll?
Yes, that's a right.
That was it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Not bad.
Wow.
All right. Nice one.